What's going on, everyone? Today's the 16th of July, 2023. Real quick, we're going to talk about Shiba Inu and trying to figure out where the price is going to go right now. You guys can see it real quick. I did a video for Shiba Inu, taking this all the way back on June the 29th. I did an update on July the 9th, and you guys can see that I didn't change my price prediction. I'm looking for the market in Shiba Inu to go higher, and that's exactly what the market did. So congratulations to those who's able to get 12.45% out the market in Shiba Inu, because that's how simple this game is supposed to be. Let's go ahead and get rid of it. Now, you guys can tell over the last couple of 2 days, 3 days, the market in Shiba Inu has seen a massive influx of volume. Look down here at the bottom of the chart. You all can see how the volume has been on increase as price has been knocking on the door for 850 points. What's going on? Well, the market is selling. Just that simple. People are up here in Shiba Inu around 850 points trying to sell some of their stake in this currency. That is why the volume has increased, and that is why these daily price bars, we're seeing the market close off the highs. That is exactly what's going on in Shiba Inu. So from that perspective, if we're looking at sellers in the market at 850, then that simply tells us that we should not be massively bullish until we see the market break that to the upside. So now what we're going to do though is you all can see how price is now breaking outside of this downtrend line. So there's no need for us to keep that line in that place. We're going to transpose this line and actually utilize it so that we can see the actual current trend into the market in Shiba Inu. We're trending higher. Okay, we already know that price rejection is coming in around 850 points. So we have already delineated the lines as to where the positions of the teams are. The sellers are up here around 850 points. The buyers are going to be down here on this ascending line. Plain and simple. Let's look at the market in Shiba Inu on the 2-day chart. You guys can see over the last 2 days, which is right here, that the market in Shiba Inu has endured a lot of volatility. Look at how wide that spread bar is on top of, you guessed it, the volume. This is the lifeblood that came into the market in Shiba Inu over the last 2 days. And you guys can actually tell that since we closed higher than the previous 2-day price bar, that kind of lets us know that the buyers have a slight edge amongst the sellers. Look at this on the 3-day chart. Here it is. We have 1 day and 9 hours left on this current 3-day price bar, and it definitely looks like sellers are still present though. I'm just telling you all to be careful, because right here on this 3-day price bar and then the previous one on where the market closed, you guys can see that 850 is the problem for the buyers, and currently they are not winning at that price level. Okay, so let me go ahead and extend this over here so you guys can see exactly where the market in Shiba Inu was once being maintained by the buyers. Yeah, they was actually holding price in Shiba Inu at 850 points right there around mid-May, but they couldn't sustain it. 8 hours and 36 minutes left on this current weekly price bar. You all can actually see that yes, buyers have a slight edge, but this is not the opportunity to go full into the market for Shiba Inu. Okay, look at it at 330-minute chart. You guys can actually still tell that sellers are still present. We're not really getting a lot of trading action right now on the 330-minute price bar. Here it's on the 90-minute chart. You guys can actually tell on the 90-minute chart, this is where the beginning stages of buyers entered in, because the market so far hasn't came back down to 790 points. Okay, so cool. Let's look at this on the hourly chart. Here it is on the 7-hour chart. Real quick on the 5-hour chart. Okay, I'm just doing a quick surveillance as to how the price action has been on the hourly time frame, so that we can try to gauge, okay, will Shiba Inu continue to go higher? Will it go lower? And here it is on the 11-hour chart. This is where the beginning stages of weakness started. Well, it actually started here on this 11-hour price bar, and it definitely bled through again. So this market is not massively bullish right now. We're not seeing price in Shiba Inu give us some strength. We're not seeing it on multiple time frames. Here it is on the 13-hour chart. You guys can see that the market here is definitely giving us some weakness. So all in all, if you're not in the market for Shiba Inu as of right now, you may want to wait until the sellers are taken out the way from the buyers. Let's look at this on the 30-minute chart. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. I'm going to keep it real, and I'm going to tell you that I am going to play some strength into the market in Shiba Inu. but recognize that the buyers only have like a slight edge. It's not like a massive edge that they have in terms of moving the market right now in Shiba Inu. So keep that in mind as I construct this price prediction for Shiba Inu, okay? So let's go ahead and play some strength into the market in Shiba Inu. We're going to allow this prediction to continue to go on only so far as long as price holds, one, the trend line. Price in Shiba Inu has to hold this trend line, or two, hold 750 points. If we see price in Shiba Inu break below 750 points on weakness, then we will have to let this price prediction out the way, okay? So in terms of edge, I would say that the buyers maybe have 20% edge over the sellers as of right now, but they still have a huge task ahead of them to continue to buy out the sellers. And that's a process that I'm still seeing on the charts. And it's a process that may come to fruition or it may not. So my first target for Shiba Inu is going to be here. It's going to be real close. Because like I said, I cannot be massively bullish in Shiba Inu once I still see selling on the charts. It's going to be right there around 830 points, which is only 2.98%. It may already happen by the time this video gets released on the platform. Here it is, my second target, 848 points, 5.34%. And then my third target will be all the way up here towards 895, 900, which is another 11.43% move to the upside, okay? So that's it. That's what I'm seeing right now, okay? As we continue to get more data on the charts, that will give us more information that we can digest and see, okay, how strong really is the market in Shiba Inu, or how weak is it becoming? All right, so go ahead and give me your thoughts. Let me know, do you guys think the same thing? Do you think the buyers have a slight edge? Do you think they have a massive edge over the sellers? Or do you think the sellers are actually going to come through and push down the price of Shiba Inu? Because if that's the case, then I already know that this price prediction, which is on the chart now, is not going to be right. Okay, so that's why we have such a very tight range as to where we think price is going to progress over the next couple of trading days. But hey, the ball's in your court. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.